guys, so here's your full guide on how you can play chess on Duolingo with your friend. So it's very easy. You just have to open chess and you just need to open up Duolingo. And if you're new to it, what you simply need to do is just solve a few puzzles with the Oscar, and you gotta play a few matches. So you can just do it by learning and then personalized practice and then focus on what matters. And after that, they will teach you. And here it says, can I play against other learners? Well, it's not directly, but once you complete the puzzles and short matches against Oscar, you can friendly matches with your friends. Uh, yeah, so this is pretty much it. You can just directly play with your friends. So I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.